Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Lady recklessly sped through a red light, soon found herself in devastating T-bone accident.
Oh my gosh.
Dashcam caught a pickup driver driving completely on wrong lane, narrowly avoiding a head-on collision. Check out what happened to him down the road.
Let me guess, it's a black truck? Right try to run me over right up here.
Yeah. I mean,
he must be drunk and high off his ass, because he come plumb over in my lane and almost hit me. God damn.
Tell them cops that they helped me. He almost hit us.
He's going to jail.
Where's the cop? There's the cop.
We need to talk to him, because that dude right there, he must be either high or something, because that hit me coming right down that there.
That cop knows.
You might want to give him a sobriety test, because he just about hit me right up here.
We was driving in front of him.
Yeah, he came right over into my lane.
Yeah.
He's crazy.
I'm a constable of District 3.
Yeah.
And I got a David coming, so I'm just doing what I can now if he comes.
Something's wrong.
Yeah, because, I mean, he almost hit the guardrail.
Straight.
No license, no nothing.
Arrest him.
You ain't high or nothing, are you, buddy? Well, you sure driving like you was.
You about took us out.
You about hit me right up here, buddy.
That's it.
Lady on a bike gets angry at driver for no reason.
What? No, I'm just I stop it. What should I do?
Holy moly. I was driving the wrong way.
After dashcam driver saw that car in front will not move, he tried to continue with his drive, but driver from front had something else on mind. He tried to intimidate dashcam driver. Check it out.
Do you think that this is the time and place to just come here and ask me what the problem is?
Yeah, what's the problem?
You just all of a sudden just park over here? You're not allowed to park over here.
I own the restaurant.
I don't give a you own the restaurant.
You got it.
Do you think this shit is? You don't own the street though. Exactly. So get the in there and get the out of here. Get the out of here. Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
I'm not going to leave.
Get the out of my face, man.
You got to learn your English better.
Excuse me?
You got to learn your English better.
Excuse me? Learn my English better. What are you trying to say?
Don't swear.
Get the out of my face.
Oh, you're not listening.
Get out of my face. You think you can intimidate me? Get out of my face, man. I'm telling you right now. I'm warning you right now. Get the out of my face. I'm warning you.
I don't care what you do.
Get the out of my face,
I
man.
like people to hit me. I make lots of money.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Get the out of my face. Get the out of my face.
Oh my gosh.
fucking way. Oh, what just happened?
Take a look at this driver in front. He got angry on dashcam driver for no reason. What do you think? What triggered him to act like this?
I'm so sorry. Somebody is like, I don't know if you can hear this. Can you hear that? Okay, I'm gonna call you back. I don't know, I'm driving. Somebody's trying to fight with me. I'm gonna call you right back. Oh my gosh.
See, this is dangerous. Look at this.
Yep.
I knew it.
Oh my God!
This driver managed to record a rollover accident in which luckily everybody was okay. Driver receives instant karma after he almost hits unmarked police car.
You realize you're speeding right in front of a cop, right? They're right next to me, and he's now speeding up. Yep.
You got him.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.